is the delivery of language through the mouth. To speak, we create sounds using many parts of our body, including the lungs, vocal tract, vocal cords, tongue, teeth, and lips. Tips. Talk to yourself in English. Repeat what you hear. Have something to talk about. Join conversation clubs. Let's talk. Participate in English lessons. Make friends with people who don't speak your first language. Teach someone English. Keep journal to talk about your daily activities. Retell stories. Watch the following video sample dialogue. Please observe and write the following queries. Write in a paper and keep it for records. 1. Who is Dr. Raman? 2. What he discovered in the nature? 3. The conversation between what? 4. Write the keywords you were in the video and explain it. Spectroscopy, scattering, Raman scanner, crystal structure, fraction, F, substances, G, ultrasonic, H, molecules, I, hypersonic frequency, J, optics, K, infrared, L, acoustics.
Hi, welcome to Desi Motivation. First of all, thank you guys for your support and love. This is our new initiative to know more about our leaders. If you are not subscribed yet, please. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkat Raman, the Indian physicist who made his motherland proud by becoming the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize for Physics. So, who is this C.V. Raman? How did he achieve all the things? And what is the story behind him? In this video, we will find out. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkat Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in the city of Tiruchirappalli, Madras. Raman's father was Chandrasekhar Ramanathan Iyer and his mother was Parvati Amman. His father, initially a school teacher and became a lecturer in mathematics and physics in Visakhapatnam. He displayed a brilliant mind even as a child and passed his matriculation examination when he was just 11. In 1903, aged just 40, Raman set off for great city of Madras, now known as Chennai, to live in a hostel and begin a bachelor's degree at Presidency College. He topped the exam and won a gold medal. 3 years later, he earned his MA degree in 1907. He was deeply interested in science. He appeared for the financial services examination at the insistence of his father. He topped the examination and went to Kolkata in 1907 to join the Indian Finance Department as an Assistant Accountant General. Still, his heart was in scientific research and he began conducting research at the Indian Association of Cultivation of Science during his free time. His job was very hectic, yet he was so dedicated towards science that he often spent nights at research. In 1917, he got the opportunity to join the University of Calcutta as the first Pallitt Professor of Physics. Raman happily resigned from his government post to take up this position, though the new job paid much less than the previous one. Such was his dedication to science. During the late 1920s, He experimented on the scattering of light by observing the behavior of monochromatic light, which penetrated transparent materials and fell on spectrograph. This led to the discovery of what come to be known as Raman effect, which is presented at a meeting of scientists in 1928. He won the 1930s Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the scattering of light and for the discovery of the Raman effect, becoming the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in Science. He was honored with the Bharat Ratna, India's first civilian award in 1954 in recognition of his invaluable contribution to the field of science. He was married on 6 May 1907 to Lokasundari Ammal. Never dreamed of life without work. He had told his doctor, "I wish to live 100% active and fruitful life." The story of the great C.V. Raman.